No, no, maybe.
So, don't mind the Elmo, but this room is 90 degrees because of climate change here. I don't really like that, so I wanted to test this from Costco. I just got it like an hour ago. Fan, whatever it is. Circulation, then it just goes through all the methods, why you need the super fan. I mean, when I was at Costco, the air was pretty decent.
No, maybe.
That's why I mainly got it. So, can adjust it. Dispositif de ventilation numbers rapidamente. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's open it. This is literally how I used to do my videos back then. In today's world, you've done like plan the whole thing. Okay, so like it comes in the box. There you go. Three knobs, yes. Oh, there's 2 outlets. Interesting. That's not normal. Can I adjust it? Cool. You kind of know me. When I'm biking, I'm obsessed with bikes, but I'm obsessed with bike lights. When it's hot, I'm obsessed with ceiling fans and how ceiling fans work. And fans. I literally had to lube a few fans last year. No, 2 years ago. Is it 2 years ago? Yeah. Okay, cool. Whoa. Okay, so the fan, it doesn't work for a room. It only works if it's like directly in line with you. Yeah. It does not make your room cold, but does make dogs nice. We're probably gonna test the other fan. But... So some of you might be asking me why I want to do this video on the floor. Well, history is, back in the day, I used to do videos on the floor, believe it or not. That's how I got started. So I want to do it again because it's fun. But only problem with that, this room is 83 degrees outside. It's 91, but I believe it's 100 because the humidity yesterday was like 80%. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And that doesn't happen normally. We are. Yeah. Don't know why we're doing this. Don't know why at all. Okay.